Hello and welcome to another video. We're going to talk about the possessives today with apostrophe S. Okay, so let's start. This first one we have Kate saying it's my camera. So we can say it is Kate's camera or her camera. In this part, he says my car. This is my brother. And then in relation to Kate, Kate can say my brother's car or his car. Here, manager. The manager's office. The manager can be a he or she, so we can have his or her office. So the manager's office, his or her office. So the apostrophe S we normally use for people. I stayed at my sister's house. We can't say the house of my sister. You have to say my sister's house. Have you met Mr. Black's wife? You cannot say the wife of Mr. Black. Are you going to James's party? Okay, so the name is James, then you just put the apostrophe and then S, because it's not just any party, it's James's party. Paul is a man's name. Paula is a woman's name. So you put the apostrophe here, apostrophe S. It's a man's name, it's not just any name, it's a man's name. Paula is a woman's name. It's not just any name, it's a woman's name, Paula. Okay, so let's continue here. You can use apostrophe S without a noun after it. So it's not necessary to use a noun after the apostrophe S. So you can say Sophie's hair is longer than Kate's. You could say Kate's hair, but it is not necessary because we already know that we're talking about hair. Whose umbrella is this? So I'm asking who is the owner of the umbrella? So I'm asking, who is the owner of the umbrella? Whose umbrella is this? It's my mother's, or my mother's umbrella. So you put the apostrophe S. Where were you last night? I was at Paul's. Okay, so asking for location. Where were you last night? I was at Paul's. So, Paul's house. Now we have friend with the apostrophe S and friends, plural, with the apostrophe at the end. So we can have the following. We can have a house and this person can say, oh, this is my house. If it's not yours, it's someone else's, you say my friend's house. One friend is his or her house. My friend's house. You write apostrophe S after friend, student, mother, etc. when it is singular. My mother's car. This is one mother. my father's car. This is one father. Now let's have a look at the plural. You have a whole family and they'll say our house. My friend's house, you see it ends in friends with the S, and then the apostrophe comes after the S. My friend's house. 2 or more friends. It equals then their house. So my friend's house or their house. We write apostrophe after friends, students, parents, etc. plural. So my parents, ending with the S, plural, and then the apostrophe, my parents' car. So 2 parents. If you have 1 car and it belongs to your mother and father, use my parents' car. Now let's finish with of. We use of for things, places, and other items. So, first example, look at the roof of that building. You cannot say the building's roof. You use the roof of that building. We didn't see the beginning of the film, not the film's beginning. What's the name of this village? So we're going to use of because we have village here. Do you know the cause of the problem? So problem is a thing, okay, and then you use of. You can sit in the back of the car. So car is a thing, so you use of. And Madrid is the capital of Spain. So Spain, in this case, is a place, and then you're going to use of also. Okay, so this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.